Hey guys, my name is Erik, and if you watch my channel you know that I sold my Tesla shares back in 2015 and I regret it because I could earn $76,676 more if I would just hold it. And that's why I started to study this company again, and guess what? The ride is not over yet. The party is just getting started and I am not gonna miss it again. In this video I will show you the reasons why I decided to buy Tesla shares again, how many of Tesla shares I already bought, and what is my strategy for buying more shares up to $500,000. Let's start. First of all, you can say, this is crazy. Today's valuation of Tesla is unbelievable. This is totally crazy. Why would you do that? Look at the PE ratio, it's 1000. Okay, if you look at forward PE ratio, it's 100, but it's still a lot. To say this simply, company seems just pretty overvalued. So why the hell would you buy this? Because I just feel it. No, but really, I have the strong vision that this company is gonna be one of the greatest companies of all time. And I will show you right now why I think that, so continue to watch this video. Let's talk about that PE ratio first. With super growth, super potential companies like Tesla it is very, very hard to evaluate them right. If you would look only at the PE ratios, you would never buy Amazon, for example. Because Amazon has been always trading with crazy PE ratios. And if you look only at the past 5 years, you could 5x your money with Amazon in 5 years. In 10 years, you could even make 20 times your money, 2000%. And maybe you missed Amazon because of that. So like I said, it is super hard to evaluate companies like that. So why I believe in Tesla so much? Very simple. Tesla is the future. I think that, I believe that this company is the future. Tesla is run by icon Elon Musk, Tony Stark of today's world. If I don't trust my money with a guy like this, who should I trust it with? Guy who is advancing space technologies, guy who is following his dreams, and if he says something, he is gonna do it.
Well, I feel comfortable that we'll be able to achieve at least 500,000 cars a year by 2020.
I can't imagine better CEO for the company than him. He is just great inspiration for so many people, and he's genius, man. And what about electric car future? Do you think there is gonna be many more electric cars in the future or not? I think there is no other way right now than electric future. So I believe that electric cars are the future and Tesla is the leader in that sector. They are disrupting the space and they are doing a magnificent job. And Tesla is also viral. And if you know me, my career, what was my career? It was viral videos, and Tesla has viral potential. They created sedan what can beat Lamborghinis in drag races. And these videos have millions and millions of views over the internet because it is just something new for people. And what about the Cybertruck? Many people hate that car. But if you look at the numbers, it just works. And why? Because it doesn't mean how many people hate it. Most important thing is just how many people love it. Tesla is creating emotions. They are not scared to do something like that, like Cybertruck. It is something what takes courage, what is not basic, random, boring car like all companies do these days. Because they are conservative. They are scared that they would do something that someone wouldn't like. Oh my God, we have to be conservative. It has to be boring. But they are forgetting about being innovative. They are forgetting what it's like to being a dreamer. And Tesla is a dreamer. Elon Musk is a dreamer. And I just love it. And many people around the world as well. And I don't even consider that Tesla is not only about cars. It's batteries, solar roofs, panels. So it's not only car company, but it's, we can say it's energy company. There is much more with Tesla in the future. So I just love the journey and I want to be part of it. And look what is happening in the world already. California will ban new combustion engine vehicles starting in 2035. Banning combustion engine vehicles. What do you think it means? I don't know what about you, but it's pretty clear that electric vehicles are the future and Tesla is just beating the game right now. Alright, let's play with some numbers now. Elon Musk thinks that Tesla is able to sell 20 million cars in 2030. You can say he is crazy, but it is possible, and And if we make a bullish case from this, let's check some numbers. Let's say Tesla sells 20 million cars in 2030 with average price $35,000. It is $700 billion. Let's say hypothetically they have 10% net profit, so it's $70 billion in net profit, and let's say that market value Tesla by 30 multiple, and we have here $2.1 trillion market cap. Today's market cap is around $400 billion. So in that case, it would 5x your money. This was very simple hypothetical napkin math to see the potential here. You can say I was very bullish on this one, but I didn't even count the energy sector there. Energy business, robotaxi, and so on, what Tesla can bring in the future. So I was conservative on this one. So overall, I believe that this case is even conservative outcome, this $2 trillion 2030. I think it's conservative, man. I love Tesla and I love what it brings to us investors. It's not only money, but it's something what other companies doesn't bring you, and it's excitement. You are excited, you go every step with them, you are excited about developing that new stuff. It's just something what you don't get with other investments. Of course, I would be much happier to buy it for much cheaper price like everybody else. But I want to get definitely back in the train and I don't want to miss it. So my strategy is that right now I am buying Tesla shares slowly to create my position there. You can see I started to buy Tesla again in July. And you can see I slowly started to build my position again. On 24th September, I managed to buy a nice dip over here. So currently I own 50 shares of Tesla and my current value is $21,000. In that few months, I am already 21.37% up. I will continue to build my position, buy a little bit when the price drops, a little bit always the dollar cost average me in. Because I want to be in and I don't want to take the risk that Tesla doesn't drop 50% like many people think. And if she drops 50% for example, I don't care, I will just buy much more for that price. I'm here for the long-term game. Because the potential here is really amazing, and on the other hand, I don't see so many scenarios that I would lose money here in the long-term game. Don't forget guys that I am not financial advisor. This video is only for entertainment purposes only. Make your own decisions. Everybody has different feel for taking risks, and this is my risky play. And I'm gonna take responsibility for myself. So we will see how it goes in the future, but the mission for me is to build my position in Tesla for at least $500,000. And my goal for that $500,000 invested is to 10x them and make $5 million. I will give you updates on display on this channel, so don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button if you want, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!